guys, it's Brimarie and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are finally kicking off fall. Yay! I'm so excited and I'm just so excited to create looks for you guys. I hope that you guys like this look. I really like the way that this look came out. I love a fall smoky eye. I just think that it fits the season perfectly. So first off, let's start off with this. I plan on doing a lot of fall videos this fall, and during winter I plan on doing a lot of stuff for YouTube and my Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I'll put my @name right here. And then also, if you guys are yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on your post notifications so that you are notified every single time that I upload here on my channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So I want to do a ton of videos for fall, and I have a lot of ideas, and a lot of people like to watch fall makeup tutorials. I love to watch fall makeup tutorials, so I have a lot of them planned. I've been planning my looks for about a month or two. Not that long, but I've been planning, okay, you guys? And I have a couple giveaways coming up. I'm very excited for the one that I have coming up very soon. So make sure you are subscribed and your notifications are turned on so you know when that video comes and when it's uploaded and ready to go. So that way you will know when this giveaway is live. It's a good giveaway. I would love this giveaway. If you love fall, you would love this giveaway. Let's just say that. So I created this fall look for you guys today. It's a smoky eye fall look. I thought that why not kick off this fall series with a smoky eye look, and I just hope that you guys really like this look. So I love the way that this look came out. I am obsessed with this smoky eye. I took my time and it actually came out better than I thought it would come out. So if you guys like this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so jumping into this tutorial, first we are going to be starting off with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer. At the moment, this is my favorite primer to use. It just makes my skin look photo finish. Next, we are going to be clipping back my hair, obviously, but then we're going to be using the Fresh Beauty Sugar Peach Hydrating Lip Balm. I love this lip balm right now. It's one of my favorites as well, and I have been using it every single day. Moving on to the brows, we are going to be using my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I use the shade Ebony. This is my favorite brow product, you guys. This is all I use for my brows. I don't use anything else besides when I clean up my brows for the concealer, and I'm very happy with this. I guess I've mastered this brow pencil. So to clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I've used many different concealers in the past, but this one has been my favorite lately. So I guess this one is my favorite at the moment. Next, we are going to be blending this out. So basically I just like conceal and then I blend, because this concealer does tend to dry pretty fast. So I like to conceal and then blend out the product. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this concealer all over my lids to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. So basically I'm just gonna set this next with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is everybody's favorite. I just think that it gives a nice clean base for your eyeshadow. Then we're going to be going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. This is my favorite palette at the moment. I've been using it a lot lately for all different kinds of looks, and I just think that the color range for this palette is really beautiful. So for today's look, we are going to be doing a warm tone smoky eye, and we're going to be going in with the Morphe 441 brush and dipping into the shade Sandalwood, and we're just going to be blending out this brown shade, and it works perfectly for a transition shade. And using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill 30 brush, we are going to just be blending out this brown shade, or our transition shade, to make it look very blended out. And then next, we are going to be using the Morphe 456 brush to be blending out the shade Cocoa, and then we're going to add on Black Truffle and just mix these in together to make like a dark brown shade. And basically I'm just going to pack on this color to make it very intense. And then as you can see right here, I am starting to blend out into the crease. So you want to pack on your lid and then blend out. So I'm working, as you can see, back and forth between JH30 and Morphe's 456 brush. And you guys, this look is very easy to achieve. The trick is, all you have to do is blend, blend, blend. Like I blended for, I think, about 30 minutes to create this look. It's super easy to do once you get the blending down pat. And as you can see right here, it doesn't look all that blended, but once you keep on blending, it starts to look airbrushed and it starts to look kind of like diffused, and that's the whole point of a smoky eye. So moving on, we are going in with the Lancome, I never know how to say this foundation's name, Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I am using the shade 220, and then I'm just going to be placing this all over my face. Pretty self-explanatory. And then I'm going to go down into my neck because I feel like this foundation is a little bit too dark for me right now, just because I'm losing my tan. But then I am going to be going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer again, and then I'm just going to be highlighting and concealing underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. Then to blend this out, I'm going to be using the pointed side of my Beauty Blender. And then, as you can see in just a few seconds, once I'm done blending out the concealer, I'm going to be using the fat side of the Beauty Blender that I used to blend out my foundation. And then I'm just going to kind of like blend the concealed area and then the foundation areas together to make it look super blended out. And that's like my biggest trick for those of you guys who feel like your concealer looks too bright for your foundation. Just make sure you're blending, blending, blending. Then I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then I'm just gonna pack this on in the areas that I want to bake. And then once it's done baking, I am going to be dusting it away with the Morphe M527 brush. So next I'm going to be using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate and Chocolate Soleil bronzers. The reason that I'm going to be using these two bronzers together is to give more warmth and depth to my face and to give my cheeks a little bit more of a chiseled look. The first bronzer that I'm going to be using is the Milk Chocolate Soleil using the Morphe M551 brush, and this one is for the warmth. I'm just going to be using this all over my face to give my face more warmth. Then I am going to be going in with the Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and using the Morphe E48 brush, I am going to be working this into the hollows of my cheeks to give it more depth. This is going to make it more dark and make your cheeks look very, very chiseled. Then for blush, today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay blush in the shade Video, and I'm going to be using the Morphe E4 brush to blend this out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't believe I almost forgot this step. So next I'm going to be contouring my nose, and yes, I almost forget this step like all the time. I don't know why, I just do. Next we are going to be going in with mascara. I am using the Tarte Big Ego mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. I'm very surprised. Next I'm going to be doing my under eye eyeshadow. So first I'm going in with the shade Sandalwood, and then I'm going in with Cocoa. For eyeliner, I am going to be using the Givenchy Black eyeliner, and then for the inner tear duct, I'm going to be using this beautiful copper shade in the shade Trust Fund from the Rose Gold Remaster palette by Huda Beauty. And then for lip liners, I am going to be using this NYX Nude Truffle lip liner. I love this lip liner, one of my favorites. Then for liquid lipstick, I am going to be using my all-time favorite liquid lipstick by Dosa Colors in the shade Sand. So at first this lipstick looks really, really light, but once it oxidizes, it's this beautiful nude shade. For setting spray, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And then for lashes, these are my favorite lashes of all time, you guys. I'm using the Lily lashes in this style So Extra Miami. So voluminous, so much volume to these lashes. They're so long and so beautiful. I love them so much. I don't care if they look like broomsticks. Alright you guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any video requests for this fall series, make sure you drop them down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and don't forget that there's going to be many more makeup tutorials coming this fall series. I can't wait. I'm just so excited for fall. I used to be obsessed with creating warm tone looks like this. Make sure that you guys stay tuned for my next video, because my next video will be having a giveaway, and I'm so excited for that giveaway. I personally would love every single thing that I'm providing in the giveaway, so of course, like, I wouldn't give you guys give away something that I wouldn't like personally myself. So before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because that's how you will know when I upload my next video. Hint, my giveaway video. So thank you guys once again so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!